iPhone users, it's your time again as we are back with another amazing collection of apps this month, which you shouldn't miss under any circumstances. Hey guys, this is Abhijit from Guiding Tech, and without much further delay, let's get right to the best iOS apps for July 2019. Kicking things off is a really cool app that will let you make clones of yourself. Well, sort of. Cloner is an AI-powered camera app with which you can click your pictures along with up to 4 clones of yourself. The app is fairly simple to use. Just open it up, hold down on the shutter button to change the settings, select the number of clones you want and the self-timer durations, and you're good to go. Now, set down your phone somewhere, hit the shutter button, and then quickly move around in the frame to capture your clones. Pretty cool, right? Do try it out. Speaking of clones, do you often have trouble differentiating between two similar contacts on your phone because of a lack of photos? And if you do too, then you should download Vignette right away. It's a handy little tool that can automatically find images for your contacts from their social media profiles or email addresses. To make sure you get the right images, all you need to do is update your contacts with their correct email IDs or social media usernames and let the app scan for images. Within no time, it will bring up all the images that you require. While all of that functionality is free to use, if you want the app to automatically add the images to the contacts and keep them updated over time, then you will have to pay a small one-time fee. But I tell you what, sounds like this is definitely worth it. Now, I'm sure giving an app access to social media profiles will make some of you conscious about your privacy. But don't worry, we have got an app that will soothe the fears of the paranoid ones among you. Also count me among yourselves. Jumbo Privacy is a cool new app that you can use to audit your Google, Facebook, Twitter and Alexa accounts to check if anything is at risk. To do so, just log into your account, authorize Jumbo to access your details and then run the audit. The app will then give you a couple of suggestions to improve your privacy settings, and you just need to tap on a button to apply the changes. Easy, right? You know what else is easy? Editing video on your iPhone with the Film app. That's Film with 2 M's. This new video editor lets you add a bunch of cool effects and filters to your video to make it pop, and it does just a fantastic job of it. You can use it to crop your video, change the playback speed, add a cool lens flare, adjust the filter intensity, and if you're using the free version, the ability to customize the watermark as well. Once you are done editing the video, you can either choose to save it to your camera roll or publish it directly on Facebook or Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, have you guys followed our account yet? Well, if you haven't, then what are you waiting for? Follow right away because we have got some amazing giveaways coming up and you wouldn't want to miss them. You can find us at Guiding Tech or just follow the link in the description to check out our profile. Oh, and while we are on the topic of Instagram, there's another cool app on our list that you need to check out. Made is an all-new Instagram story editor and collage maker which packs in a bunch of beautiful Instagram story templates that you can use to jazz up your boring stories. You just have to choose a template, add a photo, text border or filter, and you're good to go. You can even preview the story before posting it, which can really come in handy if you want to make sure none of the elements are cut out in the final result. Next up, we have a cool AR app called Pharos AR, which offers an amazing musical augmented reality experience that is based on music by Childish Gambino. The app has both single and multiplayer options, which means that you can also enjoy it with a bunch of friends in the same room. When you first set it up, the app will ask you to scan the floor so that it can create the AR experience. Once you're done with that, you will enter an entirely different world where you'll need to uncover hidden glyphs to see an amazing world unfold in front of you. Now, the app is definitely worth trying out, but make sure you have your charger handy because AR apps can really take a toll on your phone's battery. Rounding things off is Spotify Stations, a new app from the popular music streaming service Spotify that aims to further simplify your music streaming experience. You can use the app to create stations with your favorite artists for free, list it to the random songs curated by the service, and quickly change between playlists by swiping up or down. The app has a really easy to use and intuitive interface, but there's a small snack. The app isn't available in all regions right now, so some of you might not be able to find it on the App Store. But if you do, then you should definitely check it out. I can assure you that you won't regret it. With that, let's wrap up today's video. As always, you'll find the links to the apps in the description right below. And make sure to hit the like button if you liked the video. And we'll wait for comments in case you have more app recommendations or want us to do more videos like this. This was Abhijit signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.